Hey y'all, today my husband wants some fried okra. So I'm going to show y'all an easy, simple way to fry those little bags of okra you get at Walmart or wherever you want to pick it up at. Ours just happened to come from Walmart. Now we're using this little bitty skillet because I'm only cooking one pack for 2 people. Letting our oil start heating up in this little iron skillet. We've got 2 eggs and about a cup of cornmeal with just about a tablespoon of flour. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take and dip our okra in our beaten up egg. Get it coated well with the egg. And now we're just going to scoop it out of that egg and put it right over into our cornmeal mixture. We added a little salt and pepper to the cornmeal and a little bit of flour. We're going to put our other batch of okra over here in our flour mixture. Now you could use a spoon to scoop it out with, but I like using a fork. That way you get rid of most of your egg mixture off of the okra. You don't want all that egg on there. Now we're just going to take this fork and coat our okra in our mixture real good. And having that egg on there, you can see how thick your breading is. And now we're just going to start putting our okra down in our oil. You can tell it's good and hot. Okay, we're going to wait just a few more minutes. It's hot, but it's not sizzling as much as I want it to for that extra good crispy crust. It's starting to. See that okra moving around? Okay, we're going to go ahead now and put the rest in it. Okay, now don't overcrowd it, because you want that to turn out like popcorn okra. Crispy. Every piece is going to be crispy with a good crust. We've got our eye on like a medium high. I don't want it on real high because I don't want it to start getting too brown before it gets done. Okay, now we've got a clean fork that we tested a piece a little while ago with. I'm just going to check it. And just move them around just a little. But try not to move them so your crust stays on your okra. A few more minutes. While it's cooking, go ahead and get the next batch ready. You could do it in a bigger skillet if you wanted to and do it all at once. But I like this little skillet of Travis's, so I snuck and got it. Okay, now we're going to check a piece or two. Looks done to me. Crispy and ready. next batch is going in. Now the oil's good and hot now, so be careful when you start dropping these in, not to burn your fingers. But if you've ever cooked okra before and your batter comes off, doing that, just that little bit of dipping it in that egg trick helps keep your batter on your okra. But there you go. That's how to fry okra that you buy from the frozen section. It's easy and simple, and it is delicious. Now we're going to clean up our mess. And boy, I made a big mess. Now I'm going to add just a little salt and a little black pepper. Easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. To go with that okra and corn, we're going to have fried chicken thighs. Ooh, it's crispy.